How's it going, guys? It's Aaron here. Welcome back to another video. For all you longtime subscribers and viewers, I want to thank you very much for your continued support. It really means a lot. And for your new viewers and hopefully soon to be subscribers, I want to welcome you to my channel Computer Dynamo, where we do a mixture of tech content, some unboxings, some how-to videos. Hopefully you can stick around to get some value out of this content. And today we have just that, a very special unboxing by Henge docks, the Stone Henge dock. It is a USB-C, or more properly, a Thunderbolt 3 dock. One cable solution for all you MacBook Pro owners, pretty much. It's targeted towards that market by its aesthetic. It's a space gray unit I have here. It's going to be able to power my 15-inch MacBook Pro with touch bar. It has an 87 watt charging capability, so it can charge it at full speed, full supported rate. It has a bunch of I/O ports. Now I'll be opening it up shortly, but let me show you on the box. 3 USB-A ports, a Ethernet port, display out, mini display out rather. It supports 4K and 60 Hertz. It has your power, and here's the computer connection on the side, which is kind of nice. So back plane is your peripherals and power to the unit, power to the dock. Side is power and connection to the computer, and other side is a hidden SD card slot, which is pretty sweet. It also has a USB-C out, and then you have the in-out audio. If you want to hook up a microphone via 3.5 millimeter or hook into a standard set of headphones, that'd be a great place to do it. I won't personally be using that because I have an audio interface that I'm going to be connecting most likely via the USB-C connection right here, but that is another story. It has beautiful packaging. Really shows off the one cable design with a touch bar. MacBook Pro looks like a 15-inch, which is pretty sweet. This is one of the few models on the market that actually supports 87 watt charging. So this is a very special dock indeed. Hopefully it will live up to the expectations that I have for it. I was kind of disappointed with some of the other docks I've tried. I've tried the Belkin dock, and I've also tried, what was the other one? It was the CalDigit dock. That one I wasn't as impressed as I thought I would be with it. I was a little disappointed, to be honest. But looks very promising. It says firmware updated on this model. There was some, I guess, mixed review of the original versions put out where the firmware was causing issues, maybe with display connectivity, I'm not sure, but this one appears to have the updated firmware. And it says more ports, more power, one simply elegant connection to your MacBook. Sorry, reading, it's sometimes not my strong suit. Let's unbox it. All right, we're gonna just, actually instead of going at this like a barbarian, let's peel this carefully, get the seal up just gradually, just in case we have to repackage it. You don't want to cause a fuss. So we're just gonna use some old school technique here to just lightly and gently peel up that plastic. Once I get enough of that, I think I might be able to do it with my fingernail. Now I could have done this before, but I wanted to do everything right for you on camera. One shot, one take, that's how we do things here. I'd like to say this is my only take. Sometimes I have to redo my videos, but this we're going to try to do in one shot here. Alright, so let's peel this up gently. A little bit of resistance, don't want to tear the box too much. Alright, come on, come on. Alright, that didn't go as smoothly as I had hoped, but anyhow, they really don't want you doing that. Anyway, let's just cut into this puppy. Because I've been dying to get into it, and I wanted to make a video first for all of you. So let's open this thing up. Okay, I see how we were supposed to do this from the top. Okay, wow, smells like a new MacBook, honestly. And as you can see inside, we have a nice, looks what appears to be an aluminum bodied device. All right, now this thing is pretty sweet. As you can see, it's a small device, it's slim, it's tapered. It appears to have an aluminum body, aluminum shell. Might not be, but that's the appearance, it's a sense I get. Nice printing on the bottom. You'll probably never look at it. It does have a serial number on there. It says tethered docking station for USB-C, but it should be a Thunderbolt 3 dock. Maybe not. Maybe that's the catch. Maybe it's a USB-C dock. Yeah, USB-C dock, but with 87 watt charging. Could have sworn it's a Thunderbolt 3. Anyway, we will look into that later. Sweet little device. Nice little rubber strip. It's actually written, inscribed, and it says Henge docks in that little rubber strip. And it's meant to actually stand the MacBook up, just ever so slightly. So that's pretty sweet. Now we're going to open the rest of this up. It has some documentation in this tray here. The tray says additional support available at their website. Plug in the dock, plug in the computer next. That's pretty much it. And you have a little QR there. Give some of the specs of the device on the back: operating temperature, storage, disposal. Okay. Anyway, kind of a strange thing to put in the notices, but let's take a look at what it comes with. It comes with what appears to be a USB-C cable. I would hope it's Thunderbolt 3, but it might just be USB-C. And then we have the power brick for the actual device, quite sizable here. And then we have the cable, the power cable that connects to said power brick. Right, and this is most likely the one that connects from the computer to the actual dock. I must say I'm a little disappointed. It was supposed to be a Thunderbolt 3 dock. It was my understanding that it was anyhow. And nowhere on here does it say Thunderbolt 3 dock. It says USB-C to computer, USB-C out. So it appears to be a USB-C dock with 87 watt charging. Okay, maybe that's why it's a little less expensive than some of its counterparts. But honestly, I don't need a Thunderbolt 3 out per se. I just need what these connections support, so it should be more than enough, to be perfectly frank. But this is very nice. All right, as you can see, we'll stack that up for you. Oops. And then the piece de resistance is this beautiful thing. And we will be sure to get you some information on how this works out, because I will put it through its paces, and I expect it to work beautifully, if not flawlessly. So we will run the gamut with our test and make sure that they live up to my exacting standards, and I will report back to you with my findings. So until next time, I want you all to hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed the video, hit the thumbs down if you didn't. Unfortunately, some of you may not enjoy this video, although I hope you did. Hit the subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos like this, pretty much. If you have anything to say, recommendations, what products I should review, things I can do differently, leave them in the comments down below. Any information about the dock that I might not have mentioned, leave that in the comments down below. I might be able to include that in the description so others can benefit from this video. And until next time, keep it real, follow your passions, and we'll see you in the next one.